y'all, welcome back to Heritage Soap. Today I'm going to be making Mermaid soap. I've got my oils, butters, and everything all melted down in the pot. And to the pot I'm going to be adding some coconut milk. I'm going to blend that in really good. And I'm going to add some kaolin clay. Alright, let me blend that up and we'll get started. Alright, now I've got everything all measured out and ready to go today. I had made another video of me making our these mermaid tails, and there's also pictures and everything on our Facebook page. We made these to put in the tops of our soaps. And I also have some shell soaps that I dusted with some mica. And I have some Dead Sea salt that I have shaked in mica to give it a little shimmer and shine. I'm going to do something with that on the top. Okay, I'm going to be adding my lye water in to the mixture. This is my solution of Tussa Silk, sodium lactate, and some sugar. I didn't add too much sugar because we added the coconut milk, and that's going to add some sugar also to the soap. Alright, I'm going to keep it as liquid as possible because I got a lot of working to do. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get my pots and get this all measured up in my pots. This is a lot of colors that I'm working with today. I'll be right back. Alright, so I have several colors, like I said, that I'm doing. Alright, in this one I'm going to put a little blue and a little bit of titanium dioxide. Just a little in that one. Okay, and then I'm going to put titanium dioxide in that one. And then I'm going to add all my colors in to everything. Okay, so this is starting to set up. Okay, so here we go. finger tool, and I'm going to swirl the soap. This soap is setting up very quickly. Now I'll come back later and I'll do the tops. Just stay tuned. This is a perfect scent for this soap because it's just it reminds me of the beach, but I may have to end up changing my fragrance. I hope not. I put a layer down. I'm going to go ahead and go through this. I'll speed up the video so that it's not so boring, and I'll bring you back. We're going to also pop some cupcakes. Okay, y'all, this soap was the hardest soap I've ever made. It's not because of the embeds, and it's not because of being a high top soap. This fragrance was a little booger to work with. That's what it looks like right there. And so we'll see how this all comes out. I'll come back tomorrow with a slicing video. Hope it's actually a beautiful soap. Hi everybody, welcome back to day 2 of our slicing video for our Mermaid soap. This soap, she's being a booger, but these are the soaps that we made. I am going to keep going through these very slowly. This video will have to be cut up, shortened a lot because you guys are going to get bored. It came out beautiful, but this is so high that I'm having a hard time. So I'm going to go through it slowly and we'll see. And I'll put some pictures of it when I get all done. But this is going to be a slow go because I'm going to have to be very careful with her. She's a booger. I'm going to call her Booger instead of Magical Mermaid. She's a booger is what she is.